Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Volvo S60 door handle. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Torx driver, often a T20 or T25, and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your car is in a safe spot with the door fully open, giving you clear access to the door's edge. Next, locate the small plastic or rubber cover on the side of the door, usually near the lock mechanism. Gently use your trim tool to pry this cover off, revealing a screw inside. Insert your Torx driver into this opening and turn the screw counterclockwise until you feel a slight resistance, but do not remove it. Now for the specific Volvo trick. Pull the outer door handle outwards as if you are opening the door. While holding it in this open position, tighten the Torx screw clockwise until it locks the handle in place. Then, undo the screw counterclockwise again, and the handle should now be released and ready for removal. Once released, slide the handle towards the rear of the car to fully detach it from its mounting. Carefully disconnect any electrical connectors or mechanical rods. To reinstall, reverse these steps. Connect any wires, slide the handle into place, and use the same tightening and loosening trick with the Torx screw to secure it properly. Test the handle's function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.